Why Orunmila does not eat roosters. The journey of wisdom. Orunmila, the wise diviner and interpreter of Ifa, set out on a journey to learn about fairness and the ways in which beings of different lands treated one another. His path led him through many regions, where he sought to observe harmony, respect, and kindness. The land of the monkey. First, Orunmila arrived in the land of the monkeys. He greeted a lively monkey swinging from the branches of a tall tree. "What is your name?" Orunmila asked. "Monkey," the creature replied with confidence. "And your father's name?" "Monkey," came the response. "And your mother's name?" "Monkey," the monkey said. Orunmila nodded in approval. In this land, there was unity, and no distinctions divided the community. Everyone was regarded as equal. Content, Orunmila continued his journey. The land of the elephant. Next, Orunmila arrived in the land of the elephants. There, he met a wise and towering elephant and asked the same questions. "What is your name?" "Elephant," the giant replied. "And your father's name?" "Elephant," the elephant answered. "And your mother's name?" "Elephant," said the majestic creature. Once again, Orunmila observed that there was no discrimination or division. The elephants honored one another equally, and Orunmila was pleased to see this unity. The land of the roosters. After visiting several lands where fairness thrived, Orunmila arrived in the land of the roosters. There, he met a young rooster standing near the edge of a field. "What is your name?" Orunmila asked. "My name is Osadi," replied the rooster. "And what was your name when you were young?" "Ejiogbe," said Osadi. "And your father's name?" "Akúkó," the rooster said. "And your mother's name?" "Adìẹ," replied Osadi. Orunmila was intrigued. Unlike the previous lands, the roosters in this land had distinct names for themselves, their fathers, and their mothers. This difference sparked Orunmila's curiosity, and he asked Osadi to take him to his home to meet his mother, Adìẹ. The hen's disrespect. At Osadi's home, Orunmila greeted Adìẹ, the hen, with respect. "Good day, Adìẹ. I am Orunmila, and I am searching for a land where I can live in harmony." Adìẹ, however, showed no kindness. "I don't know who you are," she replied coldly. "I don't speak with strangers." She offered him neither water to drink nor a place to wash his feet, a simple gesture of hospitality common in Yoruba culture. Insulted by her lack of courtesy, Orunmila turned and left the house. The rooster's hospitality. As Orunmila continued his journey, he encountered Akúkó, the rooster, who greeted him warmly. "Iboru, Iboya, Iboshesh," said Akúkó, bowing respectfully. "Please, come back to my home," Akúkó insisted. Orunmila agreed, and the two returned to Akúkó's house. But when Adìẹ saw her husband bringing Orunmila back, she became furious. "It is against our customs to let strangers into our home," Adìẹ shouted. Akúkó remained calm and dignified. "And it is against the rules to insult your husband in front of others," he replied firmly. "If you allow this," Adìẹ retorted, "I will leave this house." And with that, the hen stormed off. The hen's spite. Days passed, but Adìẹ's anger only grew. From a distance, she began throwing harmful powders at Akúkó, hoping to harm him. But Orunmila's presence in the house protected the rooster, and none of Adìẹ's attempts succeeded. Seeing the hen's wickedness, Orunmila turned to Akúkó and said, "From this day forward, I will be your ally, and I will never eat you or your offspring. But hens, like Adìẹ, will become my favorite food." To seal their friendship, a sacrifice was performed: 1 goat, 3 roosters, and several hens. Since most of the hens in that land were golden brown, dun in color, Orunmila declared that golden brown hens would forever be his preferred meal. A lesson in kindness. Orunmila's journey through the land of the roosters revealed an important truth. Kindness and respect are essential virtues. Akúkó's hospitality and humility contrasted starkly with Adìẹ's arrogance and malice. Through this tale, Orunmila reminds us to value those who act with grace and to remember that arrogance leads only to downfall. His bond with Akúkó became a symbol of loyalty and trust, while the golden brown hen served as a reminder of the consequences of disrespect. In the land of the roosters, Orunmila not only found a lasting friendship, but also great fortune and wisdom. This story teaches us about the profound importance of kindness, respect, and hospitality. Orunmila's journey through the lands highlights the value of unity and fairness, but it also reminds us that how we treat others, especially strangers, can have lasting consequences. The rooster, Akúkó, exemplifies humility and generosity, while the hen, Adìẹ, demonstrates the dangers of arrogance and hostility. Through this tale, we see why Orunmila chose to honor Akúkó and his lineage while turning away from the malice of Adìẹ. It's a lesson in the power of good character and the blessings that follow when we treat others with compassion and dignity. Remember, in life, our actions leave ripples. Will your actions, like Akúkó's, bring protection and prosperity? Or will they, like Adìẹ's, lead to regret? The choice is ours. Thank you for watching and exploring this rich tale from Yoruba tradition. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to hear more IFA stories filled with wisdom, culture, and life lessons. Until next time, I base Orunmila.